Namaste everyone, I'm Dr. Raj Satpute. In today's time, especially in Mumbai, due to the weather changes where the temperature has dropped down, the cases of fever, cough, cold, weakness has increased. In most families today, we see at least one or two members they are falling ill. Most patients, after seeing these symptoms, they've started getting scared and they feel that this is something else. Let me tell you, the moment you take stress, your condition is just going to get worse. Take the right action and you'll be totally fine. Let me guide you with certain classical Ayurvedic methods in this particular video. So stay strong and do not get scared. It is beautifully explained in Ayurveda as Chintanam cha ati chintanat rasavainya dushyanti. Chintanam cha ati chintanat. Excess of stress will disrupt the rasavastrotas, the channels that convey nutrients to the first dhatu, the first tissue of our body. Dhatus are those that holds our body, and the stan of this rasa dhatu is said as hriday, which is it stays in the heart. So one must not take stress, one must work on the digestive system, respiratory system, and the overall immune system. Irrespective of whether we have a symptom or do not have a symptom, we need to stay strong, take the right Ayurvedic measures, and we are totally going to be fine. Of course, it's very important to follow all the guidelines sincerely, along with which this simple Ayurvedic method, which comes right from the classical text, will help you from day one. This medicine, Sharangapaniya. Sharangapaniya is a beautiful medicine result seen from the first day itself. It is a combination of 6 herbs. It is Musta, Parpatak, Ushir, Udetcha, Chandan and Shunti. Easily available across the globe. Take these herbs in equal amount and store it in an airtight container. I'll add all the names of these herbs across the globe, what is it called as, in the description box so you can find them. In case if these are not available, then one which is very easily available, it is Nagarmoda, which is Musta. So these are very effective medicines. When you prepare a Siddha Jal out of it, it becomes 10 times more effective than the properties and the qualities of each of these herbs. What is a Siddha Jal? You simply take 1 liter of water, add 4 teaspoons of this medicine, boil it, make it half, strain, or without straining, this particular medicinal liquid that you have, consume it sip by sip throughout the day. This medicine has the ability to reach to the Sukshma Strotas of our body. It brings down the Pitta dosh, it brings down the Kapha dosh, it is Dipaniya, it increases the digestive fire, it is Pachaniya, it helps in proper digestion of the food, it is said as Balya, gives strength to our system, and it is also enhancing the respiratory function. Getting scared, getting stressed is not going to help you. Take the right measure, get started, and you'll be totally fine. Along with this, you need to know that the guidelines are very important. Maintaining social distancing, taking regular facial steam, using these Ayurvedic herbs for prevention, taking care of your immune system by regularly exercising at home, doing yoga, pranayam, Surya Namaskar, all these measures, they are very important. In cases of cough cold, we know about the wonderful benefits of Yashti Madhu and Talisadi Churna. There are single herbs like the Giloy, there is Ushir, there is Rakta Chandan, there is Sariva. All these are immunomodulators. These are very effective in the cases as well as post complications. So don't have a second thought. It is all about the weather changes, the temperature variation, especially in Mumbai, where the temperature has gone so down that the people have started falling ill. So don't worry about it. Stay strong, take the right measures, and you'll be totally fine. This was all for now. Any doubts, any questions, let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, from Jovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.